Me. Mr. Mom's Racing. Oh boy, look what we got today. Picked this little hot rod up at the store the other day. Pretty excited to find it. I thought, you know what? We got to see if it's fast. So we're going to take it up against the Hot Wheels. And then the Johnny Lightning. Hold tight. Let's do this. First up, Johnny Lightning versus Hot Wheels. Check out the 3D Bot Maker track timer. Our new setup. Conveniently put on the shelf. Sensor. Then clear down at the finish line. Way down yonder, we have another sensor. It's going to be awesome. Hold tight. Okay, who do we got where? We got...
We got Hot Wheels.
Okay.
On the outside light.
Hot Wheels over yonder.
Johnny Lightning on the inside.
And the JL. Okay, first race. Cudas. Where we at? Oh, whoa. JL. Okay, all right. JL goes on to the Matchbox. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys. The Hot Wheels is out. Don't hate JL haters. Not too much. Next up is the Matchbox versus the JL. Let's do this, Mr. Bob Joe. JL's got the heavy, so I'll be pretty excited if it wins. We got Joe just setting a 3D Bot Maker timer. We got the JL, this lane, the brandy spanking new Matchbox, in this lane. Okay, Mr. Mom Joe, they're rip. Okay, that's a whooping. Okay, JL haters, check it out. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Cuda, over and out.